June 2018 and it is cash flow month, designated by myself, James Blacklaw's JB Commercial Finance. And what I want to talk about today are bridging loans, one of my favourite topics. Wow, bridging loans. Now, a majority of people, when they're using bridging loans, are using them to purchase a property, to redevelop a property, to build from the ground up, or something similar to that. But it is highly possible to use a bridging loan to have a capital injection into your business. If you know that you're going to be selling a property, if you know you're going to have a large customer who's going to make a very large payment to you in a set period of time, or if you know you're going to have some cash from somewhere else in a period of time, it can make sense to look at these things on a temporary bridging basis. Let me give you an example. A client owns their own house, has a business, needs to sell the house really for the business to continue to trade, and they're downsizing at the same time, but they've got lots of equity in it, but the cash flow of the business is stuffed. They're really struggling. So they take their house, they borrow a set amount against it, it's injected into the business, no problem at all, that continues. After that period of time, 6, 9, 12 months, that loan can be cleared in full without having any monthly repayments made, because the interest is rolled up onto the loan balance. If a bridging company can get comfortable with the fact that property is going to be sold, you can show sales particulars, you can show Rightmove, then they're generally very happy with that. And I've got lenders who, even if they're not happy with that, they'll still lend the money. They may just slightly increase the interest rate. So it's a way of getting cash into the business very quickly, very easily, especially if the business is loss making or it's insolvent and they really need this cash to turn things around. And by using that asset and by using it for a set period of time, that's absolutely fine. You can put the money into the business, they don't need to make any monthly repayments, and it just keeps things nice and neat and tidy. And that bridging loan can be cleared off when the property is sold or possibly remortgaged, depending on the circumstances. So bridging loans aren't generally seen as a way of bringing capital into a business, but actually I've used it a couple of times and it's been very successful, and I think it's a really good option to explore. And any good broker will explore all options with you, and it's certainly one I explore with my clients. To find out more about this, give me a shout, check out my website, subscribe to this YouTube channel please, and I'll see you soon. James Blacklaw's JB Commercial Finance, have a great day.